I've yet to use that. At some point I need to.
Hi friends! After we got off of Google Meets today, I figured out how to solve our problem. So again, if you open a new tab by clicking the plus sign, we click the yellow folder, BCPS links. We scroll down to Math Apps. This is on your child's device. You have to be on your child's device. Scroll to the bottom and it has the a lot of our math tools. We'll use iSuggest pattern shapes, the number rack, number frames, number line, geoboards. However, if your child wants to free explore with any of these tools, it certainly won't hurt them. So if I click pattern shapes and I open with the web app, it goes right to the program and you can play along with it. I can make things. I'm sure your child is way more creative than I am. So they can go down, we can turn shapes because no matter which way you turn a shape, it's still that shape. I can turn a triangle, but it's still a triangle. It has 3 sides. Alright, so that's pattern blocks. We can use the back arrow when we are tired of pattern blocks and open a new math tool like geoboards. Again, I open it with the web app. Your child can choose whatever color rubber band they want, put it on the geoboard, and again, just explore with making shapes. So they could do this anytime with their free time. They can free play, or you can give them a job to do. If you have any questions, please let me know.